AI is everywhere, but have you actually built something with it? In this course, you will learn how to build real AI-powered features like the ones you see in apps from Google, Amazon, and beyond. We'll start by building a solid foundation, understanding language models, tokens, context windows, choosing the right models, model settings, and prompt engineering. Then we'll build projects, starting with a chatbot that can answer questions about an imaginary theme park, helping visitors find what they need faster. Next, we'll create a tool that analyzes customer feedback and delivers clear, actionable insights so users can make shorter decisions in seconds. And finally, we'll wrap up with powerful open-source integrations you can run anywhere. Along the way, you will learn clean architecture principles, follow best practices, and work with modern tools like Bun, Tailwind, ShatCN, Prisma, and Olama. By the end, you will have the skills and confidence to build AI-powered apps people actually want to use.
I'm Mosh, a software engineer with over 20 years of experience, and I've taught millions how to code and become professional software engineers through my YouTube channel and online school, codewithmosh.com. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe as I upload new videos all the time. Now, let's jump in and get started.